Have you ever wondered how to unlock the full potential of your business's global payments? Imagine being able to accept money from anywhere in the world, and any currency, with just a few clicks. Well, with Airwallex, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Today, we're diving into the essential steps to activate payments on your Airwallex account. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a growing e-commerce store, getting this right is crucial for scaling your operations and reaching new customers. We'll walk you through everything, from the initial setup to choosing the right payment methods for your business model. First things first, assuming you've already created your Airwallex account, the journey to activating payments begins with a quick and easy process. You'll need to submit some basic Know Your Business or KYB information. This is an important step for security and compliance, ensuring that all transactions are safe and legitimate. It's like a quick health check for your business, and Airwallex makes it super straightforward. Once that's approved, you're ready to move on. Next, you have to decide how you want to accept payments. Airwallex offers a bunch of options, and choosing the right one for your business is key. Are you an online store using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce? Great! Airwallex has simple, no-code plugins that you can install in minutes. These integrations allow you to accept card payments and other popular local payment methods directly on your checkout page. This is a massive win because it creates a seamless experience for your customers, which means fewer abandoned carts and more sales. Maybe you're a service-based business or a freelancer who sends out invoices. Airwallex has a solution for that too: payment links. You can generate a secure link in your account and share it with your clients via email, text, or social media. It's a professional and hassle-free way to get paid. You can even create payment links that work with popular accounting software like Xero. But what if you're a developer who wants full control? Airwallex's API is your best friend. With the API, you can build a custom payment experience from the ground up, tailored specifically to your needs. This is perfect for those who want to embed a fully branded checkout into their website or mobile app. After you've chosen your integration method and connected it to your business, the final step is to enable the specific payment methods you want to offer. In your Airwallex dashboard, you'll find a section for payment methods where you can activate options like Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and a whole host of local payment methods. It's important to think about your target customers here. If you're selling internationally, offering popular local payment methods in their region can significantly boost your conversion rates. Once you've gone through these steps, you're all set. Your business is now ready to accept payments from around the world, giving you the power to grow and expand without being held back by complicated payment systems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.